Ebusuafo yenkopim ewo the former president of Ghana. Yura John Dramani Mahama na kachi odi nsem bebre na ba betudwa. John Dramani Mahama wakasa a okase eye Akufo-Addo his government no oba into eye government no ose odi eye MPP fo nko ana akọ eye ye kan sen judges fo no oma nti judges fo no ose Akufo-Addo wasesa MPP fo nko na de oma be judges but ono Mahama ne de journalist for be ba kubusa no se on de say brebro no otimi ba into power onso enim kwan onso be de obefa so ama onso no onim eye judges for ni NDC for judges wa onim kwan obefa so do mewewem nge se osisa even unye MPP ni kura na se wukonya asem a undi nkunim kwan na enho aiden Mahama yira John Dramani Mahama watu no ntu akasa tifu menkuti nsem pakra den ewo ho no
His Excellency, the former president of the Republic of Ghana, waka sembia ene na place say asemu die bi si Ghana bako semu da. Amba nkofo ho adwiri omo mankofo da omo na. Nkofo si no wura John Dramani Mahama ka semu de kajama siri akole say. Ebi so wura John Dramani Mahama ka mani nka wutirim. Na wo ye sa tabi when your communication asem. Wo ye sa na eduma ni hye kosura no akodwiregu. Because Nyahuye Nehu, or John Dramani Mahama say, His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, the MPP from Kwana Koguat and Wojumani, judges in the Assembly of Babeba, what the MPP from Kwa and Aqua judges. It is all the Assembly Kwana MPP near so many could party there be. And none of them 20 bizarre say, and says, yeah, and oh, but then Abayapaho was say, or no sooner men this for me judges or don't build them. Hey! Sarakatema unni mukofo omo ye NDC for do odo ruatem wadwumanem wo so do omo bewuram na de na balance so de NDC for ko ruatem wadwumanem enu na Ghana Bar Association in penifo Mama dabi akajo ka wedi ka masiria collect nenka owura John Dramani Mahama say ekofo ho adwiri omo ye bisan se nyina so be na owo a kire se Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo the MPP for akogum because anytime bi na adekonti a e man ba na say ya na munye lucky because NDC ba power aya na judges no mo town on so ba wo ha anytime MPP wa power bia no wo na say chief justice the town was so dey all call and tenu tina jama eye wadwene say aya na because the time no suna judges ne kwa ayo man panyina say dey so appointed judges for the omoko okay and MPP term bia and ya na eso it is one when you abeka so mo MPP for and na Mama say dabi mo MPP for woni mo ebi mo MPP for pa et ono so ba o de ndisi for bekwa ko ro atemu adwumanim na ko fo say John ni wo trimo no ora John Dramani Mahama ni wo trimo no enkofo na ka and His Excellency, the former president of the Republic of Ghana.
Inclined judges, because this government has carried out a deliberate policy of putting their people on the bench. It's more than 80 towards 100 and counting. He's packed the courts, and we know that they've packed the courts because they want to avoid accountability after they have left office. And so all manner of people who are known to have been partisans, to have been executives of their party, who are in the legal profession, are being leapfrogged into the superior courts and other places.
But as he readies himself to seek for a final term in office as head of state, how does John Mahama intend to solve this?
We must be prepared as NDC legal persons to also go onto the bench so that we can balance out, the judiciary. Currently, the judiciary is packed with NPP inclined judges because this government has carried out a deliberate policy of putting their people on the bench. And so I encourage some of you to look at careers on the bench so that we can balance out what the current situation is.
The lawyers belonging to the NDC are seeking in the long term to give professional rivalry to the Ghana Bar Association in becoming a voice of conscience, they say. Komla Kuche, TV3 News, Akoso.
Asamno, Enon Mama Miga.
Enti meba. Yes, ejana no de. Marie Kepusutana.
Then I'm not you, Charlie.
Yes.
Apanakasa.
Mamenya na miwure muha. Yes. Let's move forward. Owura Kevin Ekobedu Taylor kasa. Na all kasa no. Wose, wosre, eni de ni awobrase mu aso. Say, chairman of NDC say, Enyama, Ejuku dita ba ye nyina. MPP abenwe watra. Yeni ye. Enyama ekofa ku ba kro we mu. Na him say adikwanti a Ghana for atwentwen so mpeso mbeku ni say, o masua nyansa they have learned their lessons. Ukohwe problem say de ba ye ni ahokyira Ghana for ko mu a, erito ma ye di hwe na na akofo ado amemo. But enyama na akofo sorry tie, enyama enkofo bi ye di ku ba kro we mu nyina na na akofo ado ayi no be say times 100. Wa twala ni mu da mi ekochi am no ne nsentro di nkomo no.
It say red lines here in the past in Ghana ediku abre ni nyina no yakroso but titi asye ni ho na esu enne because omani so learning lessons to be inti say see ade we hand on any lessons no ya learning in the past so but if you kusua aba nema almost site say civilian government owo waye eminti na yeku we yaye eminti na yeku no aban we yakroso ni nyina wow but eba first we know kuda so until be ehochi ni do baby a o no je say baby ami die
enti Marcus ano na waka no enyama di ku ba nyina kwa wa pa ko dada
papa nye kwa banti da
na na akofo ado die wa hwe no bi eku dia go be gua no okro because enyama ma enkofo ma Rollins mo ni other people yeku no enu na akofo ado die kwatakura wo David bia me ho kura
tra
me ho kura
ku bi antimi
tie me ho kura asedu ketia na ekasai enyama di ku ba kro we mu ni anana ku fado ye die e be se tam 2000 o amen kete eye nyama kitu e bi kura enna ne yedi agro no enna di ku ba ye na kan ya na ku fado ye awura di nyankopon wo wura tubili hasan wa head na to nyamna me ka asedu ketia na ekasai